up early, got my eyes on the chart. Every tick's a chance, playing smart from the start. Discipline's my weapon, got the mindset to rise. In the game of momentum, I'm aiming for the prize.
Good morning guys, welcome to ARX. Let's talk about again gold. As it take yesterday, as expected, you have this 4-hour rejection block over there. We talked that about on the video yesterday. As soon as the market swept the IPA, that's how we thought it was like a kind of a trap, because a lot of people was waiting for trade this level. As soon as that happens, I saw, okay, there's a swap. If you go to double the time frame, you can see the market create that swap of that liquidity, respect the low, and break structure to the upside. You can see over there, structure being break here after swap liquidity, so that's a valid structure. You can see also on the 50 minutes the market just come to the rejection block, and also the same 4-hour rejection block. On the 30 minutes you get in at the breaker, that's where you get in. I'm gonna show you. This is from yesterday. There we go, where you get in. You already bank a few profits at that point. This was here, was the London high, and London open. So, and during Asia, he hold it. You see the market build more liquidity, as always they do. When they build liquidity, short swap, the market build more liquidity. I was thinking, okay, so the market now is build some liquidity, so let's go guarantee that the market is going to push high, so that's good. But I wasn't expect, as soon as the market open with the gap, okay, so I was expect the market consume the gap, because they should do it, but I wasn't expect the market swept a little bit more, so it's come exactly at my entry, so I get swept out at break even, and that's okay. But as you use the ARX Break-Even Protocol, as you can see here, so he banked some profits as well, so he finished the trade with a good profits. Anyways, so for today, what are you gonna expect? You expect the same basically. You're gonna see today's gonna be news at 1:30 UK time. So yeah, during Asia, great. What Asia does was, okay, tap in this level once again, swap that liquidity over here. That liquidity being swept, then it breaks structure to the upside, as you can see. Great. So now if you go to the 4-hour or daily, let's see what you have. Anything there? Not yet. Been tested. 4 hours been tested yet. Great. So you have this level. That level is not gonna hold for sure. So because you have the Asia middle line just below, so you can delete this level. Asia, when Asia is trending, the middle line is a nice point of like a retest from the market. As you can see here, when the market drops, is come to retest the middle line and keep dropping before the real move. Okay, so always the market is going to give you a fake move before the real one, and that's what you expect to see. Okay, I was looking, this can be good, but it's already been tested once, so you don't trust the second taps of the same level, because if the market taps more than once, that means the level is getting weak, and it just like to trade fresh levels. So that means most of the time you get a nice reactions, something like that, nice reaction. Sometimes it works, that's okay, but you need to follow the plan so you can trust them. All right, so let's go to the 30 minutes, see what you have. Okay, so below Asia, you still have this rejection block here. On 1 hour is just there. Okay, on the 30 minutes you have this rejection block over there with some relative equal lows. Sorry guys. So we have this liquidity below, perfect. Let's take this rejection block from yesterday out. So that's the good level for us to keep an eye on, that the market probably wants to tap into these levels, and from that level we'll do the same. We will wait for a reaction. If the reaction was good, we can trade to the upside to take the internal range liquidity. That's the liquidity I'm waiting to see the market taken out. Let's see, the follow is just there. Okay, so some people already trade this order block. That's great. So the market give a nice reaction, come back, invite more people to trade. Okay, so that can be a good level. Probably the market can drops or not. Let's see. I don't know. So it was during the night, so I wasn't able to trade it. So let's see. I was expect the market just give a little drop, retest that level, take out this relative equal lows. As you can see, the market just coming out. Let's see what's gonna happen at this level, and from this level you will wait to see the same thing again. If it happens, you go back up, and you trade to swap liquidity as the same market has been doing. Liquidity take it, liquidity sweep, liquidity build, liquidity sweep, and now start to build more liquidity. And that's what you expect. I know some people probably gonna wait to see this play out, and probably is gonna be the trap. So I want something below that. Guys, that's it. And yeah, thank you for watching, and welcome to ARX.
Wasting time, my time.